This juicy steak and potatoes recipe will be on repeat. I promise you that. To a pot, add steak cut up into strips. Put some salt, oil, and black pepper in it. Mix it up. Turn the fire on low, super low, because you want the meat to be juicy. And then cover it. Then you want to pound garlic, bell pepper, habanero pepper, onion. Cook your meat until the water evaporates and then add more water, and do this about 3 times until the meat is super tender and juicy, okay? And it's really important that you cook this on low heat. I fried up my potatoes on the side. Once the meat is cooked, you want to add in the onions and then have that cook on low as well. This entire time we're cooking on low. Put water in your pounder to clean it out and then pour that water into the meat, okay? Mix that up. Meat juicy, wet, and ready, okay? Then add the potatoes in there. Mix that up, and that's it. No other seasonings, just salt and what you saw on the screen. Nothing else, okay? A lot of black pepper. That's the key. Use a lot of black pepper. You can eat this in bread like a sandwich with a little bit of mayonnaise, and I'm telling you, you will be amazed.